Hello YouTubers, people around the world. This is coming on to the second month really of the drilling of water. It's been a slow process, as I've said, right from the beginning. And their choice was to try and drill through this clay, which was it a good choice or not? Because now they're finding that it's sticking on the head, so they can only go so many feet before having to draw out the head. And then they put water in there to help with the drilling, so they need to extract that and all the stuff that's accumulated down there. With limestone, I think it's slightly different. It just breaks up into little bits and it doesn't dissolve, but they don't have to do what they're doing now, which is put like a thin, long bucket-looking shaped thing down there to draw out the water and all the sludge, which is taking probably half a day each day of the process up. So I've been told that we're 177 feet deep. So let's go down and see what they're up to and go from there. Yeah, so I had a message yesterday from the guy that's running this jig, and he said really the walls down the bottom, I thought they might hit softer material down there, which they have, and there is a water residue down there, but the trouble is what they've got now is the walls on the side of the the hole are starting to collapse in, which is causing another problem. It's just bung. The further they go in, it's just going to infill with the collapsing. So I've been told that they're going to buy some lining tube today, which was that was the plan anyway, to put a liner in there. It's 4 inches diameter. I'm not sure if they've got that or not. Let's go and have a look. Looks like they're still drilling. Come to nearly the end of the length of this tube. I'll ask them in a minute how many feet per day they're doing now. This is 177 feet so far. So the UPVC pipes have arrived, and they're just lowering them down, and it's quite a clever way really that they've actually put slots on the side of the pipe, so any water that's down there on the way down will seep into the pipe. But I'm hoping to find a little bit more water than just a little seep, but I can show you in a minute when this guy puts another pipe on. Hold on, they're probably gonna glue that one with solvent in a minute. So there's the solvent going in, and I know that stuff goes off really well. You'll probably break the pipe before you break the join. There's the grooves. And it's quite clever really, because that's not going to let any grit in.
Naburit man.
Yeah, so these pipes were 800 pesos each, and I've just brought 20 of them, so it's just around about 17,000 pesos to line it for 200 feet. So they got to let this dry for about 10 minutes before releasing that rope. Obviously you don't want to do it too quick, otherwise you've got a problem with it pulling apart. At the moment we've gone 60 feet deep, so got another 100 feet, which is going to probably use all these pipes bar one, or maybe two, I don't know, but I'm not buying any more than 200 feet at the moment, and then we'll go from there. It's going to help the drilling because, like I said before, the wall in the hole there is collapsing in, which is causing a problem with them boring. But now this sleeve's in there, they can put the tool inside it and carry on without any muck coming from the walls inside the hole. And you don't want it collapsing in anyway, because if it collapses so big, you've got to not start again, but it's not going to help matters. As you can see, they've scored the bores to make it, the glue, grip a bit better. So 3 more to go after this. They've only put slots in the first 60 feet, which makes sense. You know, you don't need to slot them all the way up to the top of the hole. So this is a tool that's going to go inside the UPVC tube. Got 2 cutting edges. Looks like they weld this with hard weld. Yeah, this hard weld. I think so. You know, his English isn't very good, but there you go. This is the day after I made that last blog. Basically, I had to disappear to get some more solvent for the pipes. Basically, I've turned up here at 12:30 just to check, see how it's going now. And you know, they're having their break at the moment. I'll turn the camera around and you can have a quick look to see where the progress is. Break time in the Philippines is literally sleep time, as you can see. And what they've done now is suspended that pipe. I think it is touching the bottom, and the cutting edge that's going in the middle it's got to be smaller in diameter, so I shouldn't think it would fall down, but they have made precautions and tied it there just in case. We've only got 1 piece left over there, and that'll make, you know, with those 2 small pieces there, we'll make nearly 200 feet. So I'm saying they're about 180 feet now. So they're getting ready now to put this contraption down the actual pipe itself to draw some more, maybe sludge out. It'll be interesting to see what colour the water is when it comes out. I can't imagine it being clear, because it's, you know, it's just going to bang into clay and then cause it to murky up a bit. So we'll wait and see. water there looks a bit murky, but there you go. Okay, now they're putting the drilling head back on, but obviously they've got to connect all these pipes to get down there, which is probably quite long-winded. So even this head gets blocked up. There's tiny little holes in there. You can see it all seeping out. And I presume those holes are there, so if they put water down the pipe, if it's dry down there, which I'm surprised it is dry, but there you go, it's going to lubricate the bottom and make it easier. Pour some water in the top there just to let that flow through. You can see by the way that's sticking on his stick, you know, that's sort of similar to what it's like with all these tubes in there, and it's just, even he's having a job pulling that stick out. Maybe a bit of rebar in there would probably help a bit better than a stick, but there you go. I think if I was doing this job, I'd probably make some little tools to extract all that, but maybe this is the first time they've come across it, but maybe not. Okay, so I popped down, this is another day, Saturday morning. They finish at 12 Saturday. Just thought I'd come down and finish this blog off, see how far they've gone. They're saying 192 feet. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you again in a few weeks' time, and hopefully by then, maybe we might be pumping a bit of water out. You never know. Anyway, like and subscribe. See you in a few weeks' time. Bye bye.